Okay, so here's the small video on how to troubleshoot the vacuum of the SR30V. So we have used here the SR30V. So talking about the vacuum, we're talking about this Venturi pneumatic creating the vacuum in the tank, the reclaiming tank here. This reclaiming tank here creates the vacuum through the white pipe here, through the condenser inside the head of the machine, all the way into this fitting here inside the boiler. So to troubleshoot the vacuum, we will isolate the left side of the machine, preventing to troubleshoot the boiler here. So I will start the machine and put the machine into cooling mode to be sure that the heaters are not working. So in cooling mode, the fan will work and the vacuum system will work, but not the heater. So I'll do it right away. So 1 hour countdown, meaning that I'm into cooling mode. I can hear a small, and I can see that I have a small vacuum on my gauge, but it's an old one. So I'm gonna take my fitting out. It's not supposed to be that loose. I already took a pipe wrench and loose it before. And I'm gonna use that kind of rubber just to block that. And I'm gonna see here. All the way to 20. Okay. So what does that mean? That means that I have not anything that is leaking from here to the condenser through my tank here. If I do the same thing and I can see that it's still reaching way more than 20 on this side, and then I'm trying to do the same thing here. So where could it leak? It can leak from the gasket here. It can leak through the valve here. It can leak here, here, and here. It can leak at those two connections here. And we have all the connection in the boiler, they could be leaking. So if you isolate all those fittings by plugging this way, you know for sure that your leak is on the other way here. Okay.